This is week 6, and we performed a teeth whitening treatment by Beaming White. They're also located in Washington State. It's an easy-to-use pre-loaded tray where you rest the client under the light for 20 minutes. Performed red LED light therapy each week. LED increases circulation, accelerates tissue repair, decreases inflammation, and improves skin tone and texture. Wanted to give Justin a good deep cleanse. I used the biotherapeutic BT Sonic device. Performed full face microcurrent. Wanted to focus on his nasal labial folds this week, so I tried this lovely technique in the Nano program at 35%. Then we performed microcurrent on his abdomen. I started off using the Pico probes, which is a 4-channel system. Then I finished with the gloves so I could really get in there and sculpt the area. Next, I applied the DMK body enzyme to his stomach. While he was resting, I actually introduced him to Kanza wand, which he found to be very relaxing. Kanza is a sacred metal combination of copper, tin, and zinc, known as the healing metal. It's highly resonant and works in tandem with the energy wavelengths of the skin. It will cleanse, detoxify, lift, and boost circulation. I was so pleased with his results this week. He had an amazing plasmatic effect. So that's irrigating the capillaries with fresh oxygenated blood. So here you will see those fabulous results. His skin is actually getting healthier each week. Then I performed high frequency, and that's going to eliminate acne-causing bacteria, oxygenate the skin, and promote healing. Justin's skin responded beautifully this week. We achieved excellent results in just one treatment.